I just want to explain how Veracode and BMC Compuware Topaz Workbench can be integrated to introduce application security for the mainframe. So the Veracode solution provides an Eclipse plugin that allows you to scan all sorts of application code, including COBOL. So here I've got a project in my Eclipse IDE Topaz Workbench, and I can choose to upload and scan some source code. I've made some changes. The context here is that I've made some changes to my code, and I want to check before I go for either a pull request or some kind of code review. I want to make sure that the code is in a valid state and secure. So if I select the upload and scan option, I can create a scan name. And then from my Eclipse project, I can select the directory, choose all files, and go with the source code. Alternatively, I could also, when I click on the add button, having chosen that directory, I could go with a zip file that includes many items, but in this instance I'm going to go with one piece of source code, click on open, and now I can upload that to the Veracode service, and it's prompting me to ask whether I want to actually do a pre-scan after the files are uploaded, and yes I do. So that's now been uploaded to the Veracode service, and once the pre-scan has been done, I want to invoke a full scan. It's telling me I'll be notified when the pre-scan is complete. What that means is that I've already configured my settings so that I get an email, which means that once I am in a situation where I'm ready to go, I can get an email to say that the code has been scanned for static code analysis. I'll get an email pretty shortly after that to say that the scan has started, and then ultimately I get an email to say that the scan's complete. So constantly the Veracode platform is keeping me informed. Now this only takes a matter of minutes to get for an individual module the results back, so I could submit my scan, go and get a cup of coffee and come back, and I'm ready to go. Now I can download the results by going to the Veracode option again and download results. And this brings into my IDE the scan results. It's going to give me a report in the perspective for the Veracode Eclipse plugin. And there are the results, and I can quickly double click on the item because I've got a positive response, and the Veracode plugin takes me to the line of COBOL code where I've got the vulnerability, and because I'm in Eclipse I've got smart editors. I could fix the syntax by using the code templates over here. But most importantly, the Veracode plugin has found something that it believes is worth reviewing and gives me the option to fix it whilst it's fresh in my memory. So I've been changing the code, I can submit it off to Veracode, and as soon as the results come back, I'm able to double click on the results. It takes me to the line of source. Simple and effective way to introduce application security into your everyday development practices. Thank you for watching.